Hi, it's Peter again. In this video I wanted to talk about Bluetooth devices. I've got two different Bluetooth devices that I use for testing here. This one here is a Motorola H730, which is a mono Bluetooth device and that actually works really well. And the other one I have is a Jawbone EVA, which is an A2DP device, and it works okay. One of the problems with this particular device though is because it has to negotiate when you're using it with text-to-speech. Every time you press the button on there to activate EVA, there's about a 5-second delay before EVA can start speaking, whereas on the mono one you don't have that issue, so it's much more seamless really. So for $20 the mono one is really a good deal and works really well. The audio isn't quite as clear, but in terms of the experience and how smoothly it works, I think it's better for use with EVA. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we'll have EVA turn Bluetooth on for us.
Yes, Peter.
Enable Bluetooth.
Bluetooth is on.
Okay, now that that's on, the next thing we want to do, and I'll work with this mono device for this demo here, I want to turn this on, and to do on this particular one you just open the little mic up here and it automatically turns on. And you'll see EVA actually recognizes that it's been turned on and Bluetooth is connected. But now what I want to do is I want to set it up so this, when you press that button, EVA is the default application to handle it. So to do that, let me press this button here and you'll see what happens. Android comes up with a selector here and it shows us the applications that can handle the Bluetooth click, and we want to choose here that the one I'm going to select now is going to be the default. And if you look at the bottom there, it says clear default in home settings, applications, manage applications. So if you had already another application that was assigned to your Bluetooth headset button click, then when you pressed it just then it would have opened up another application. If you want EVA to handle it, you're going to have to go into your Android settings where it says there settings, applications, manage applications, find that application and open it, and then at the bottom of that in the settings you'll see there's a button that says clear defaults, and you'll press that button and that'll mean that there isn't a default assigned to this button. So when you come next time and you click on the button on the headset, just like I did, you'll get this pop-up. So now I've chosen to make sure that whatever we click here is going to be the default from here on out. So now I'll tap on EVA, and you'll see there you didn't hear it because it was playing through the headset, but she's basically said yes Peter, and I just cancelled it so it didn't pick up what I was saying now. So now when I press this button you'll see what happens. Actually, first time round you have to do it a second time. Now you see there the speak bubble came on, and obviously you can't hear the audio because of through the headset, but it's working now. And you know, anytime I press that button, EVA will say yes Peter, and I can say something. Now the other thing I can do, which is neat, is I can be off on another screen or whatever and I can come and press it, and it brings EVA right to the front again. So I can be off in another application, have my headset on and click the button on there and EVA comes right to the front. I don't even have to touch the phone at all to do that. Okay, now I wanted to show you if my phone was asleep, I can come and click on the headset button here. And you'll see that wakes EVA up and brings her to the front. So you could really be sitting on the other side of the room and never even touch your phone and be able to interact with EVA. And if you've been watching my other videos where you're doing home control and things like that, you literally could just have your Bluetooth headset on and click on it and say turn on the lights and turn off the lights, and your phone could be sitting on the other side of the room and it's handling it all for you. So that's pretty neat. So I didn't go into too much detail on this other particular device, on the Jawbone, but like I said, it works pretty much the same way, although it has a little bit of a delay when you use, and this one has the button that's on the end here, has a bit of a delay there, about 5 seconds every time, unfortunately, and I've worked on that to try and make it better, but that's as good as I can get right now. So for the $20 it is to get this particular mono device, it's totally worth it if you want to use EVA with some Bluetooth setup. So anyway, I hope you enjoy these videos. I didn't go into the detail of showing you how to pair your Bluetooth devices. It's pretty straightforward when you turn them on. They almost do it automatically, and they tell you how to do it. And I didn't really show you in the screens there how you can go and remove the default if you've already got a default assigned to the button on your Bluetooth headset. But if you have any problems, let me know, and if anybody has any problems with the Bluetooth, then also let me know. Thanks.